determine a number such that the square of the number is 49 less than 14 times the number. Wow. So that is, we are looking for a number. Just have to find a number. And how is that number? When you square that number, that result is 49 less than 14 times the number. Okay, so we have to find such a number. Alright. First, let us assume that let the number is equal to x. If the number is x, what is its square? The square of the number is going to be x square, right? Now 14 times the number, 14 times, if I do that 14 times the number, 14 times x is 14x. Okay. So we have the number x and its square is x square and 14 times the number is 14x. Now from the given statement, let us try to write a mathematical equation out of this using this statement. Okay. So the number on squaring, that is, now I'll do x square. Square of the number is 49 less than 14 times the number. That is, 14 times the number is more than 49. That is, I can take away 49 out of 14x. Therefore, I will write 14x here as my first term, and from that I'll take away 49. Let us go back to the statement. It is the square of the number is 49 less than 14 times the number. So the square of the number is equal to 49 less, that is 49 taking away from 14x, right? So mathematically, this is the statement or an equation you have obtained from the given statement. So now we have x square is equal to 14x minus 49, and let us write this whole thing in a standard form like x square plus bx plus c. That is the standard form of a quadratic equation. Okay, so how do you do that? I have to remove everything from the right hand side. That is minus 14x. I'm subtracting 14x on the right hand side. So I'll subtract 14x on the left hand side. So now you have, I cannot subtract x square from 14x because they are unlike terms. Therefore, I'll just bring down x square minus 14x. Just same thing. Now 14x minus 14x got cancelled. So you are still left with 49 on the right hand side. So you want to get rid of that 49 also on the right hand side. Therefore, add 49 on the right hand side. Add the same 49 on the left hand side. That gives me x square minus 14x plus 49. See here once again, I did not subtract 14 from 49 because 14 is not by itself. It is 14 times x, 14x, and 49 is a constant number. So they are unlike terms. Hence, you cannot put them together. You have to write them separately, right? So you have x square minus 14x plus 49, and Negative 49, positive 14 got cancelled. Now we are left with a quadratic equation in the standard form like x square plus bx plus c, and you have to find the value of x. So using that, completing the square or finding the two numbers, any of the two methods you can use. The easiest way is this. I have negative 14 is the sum. The product I'm looking for 49. So you know that 7 times 7 is 49, and 7 and 7 is 14. Of course, negative 7 plus negative 7 gives you negative 14, and multiply those two gives positive 49. Hence my factors are x minus 7 times x minus 7, that is equal to 0. Solve for x, find the value of x. X minus 7 is equal to 0, and it is repeated, just I don't have to write. And I'll write here plus 7 gives me x is equal to 7. That's my x value, right? That is the x which we introduced at the beginning. Let the number equal x. So the number that you are looking for is nothing but 7, and we will even verify the result. So the number is equal to 7, and that 7 square gives you 49. 14 times the number, 14 times 7, 14 times 7, that's 98. Okay, let us verify. This x square, that is 7 square, is 49. This was the statement, right? Mathematical statement. The square of the number is 49 less than 14 times the number. So on the left hand side I have 7 square, that is 49, is equal to 14 times the number is 98, and take away 49. Now 49 is equal to 98 minus 49 is again 49. That's a true statement. Hence it is verified. So our number, the required number x is equal to 7. That's your answer, and it is satisfying this condition. The main purpose of doing this problem is for us to understand how to convert this given statement into a mathematical statement, and thereby it became a mathematical equation, and from that equation we have rewritten into standard form of a quadratic equation, and we solved it, right? That is the main purpose. And please try this problem. Determine a number such that the square of the number is 16 less than 8 times the number. So you are looking for a number whose square is 16 less than 8 times the number. So please try this. Thank you.